Hello, dear viewers. Today, I'll guide you through step by step on how to achieve a Daisy Girl makeup.
Skin cleansing and preparation. Start by cleansing your skin and applying moisturizer. You can use a primer to enhance the longevity of your makeup. Natural base. Apply a lightweight foundation or BB cream for a natural and healthy-looking complexion. Don't forget to conceal under-eye circles and imperfections with a concealer that matches your natural skin tone. Subtle highlighting. To achieve a radiant complexion, apply a subtle highlighter. Gently dab it onto the bridge of your nose, cheekbones, and brow bones for a luminous effect. Natural eye. Makeup. Use a light-colored eyeshadow palette to create a natural eye look. Apply a soft pink or peach shade to your eyelids and lightly contour the creases with a brown or beige eyeshadow. Curling lashes and mascara. Curl your lashes and then apply a light coat of mascara from the roots to the tips. Natural and curled lashes are ideal for achieving an innocent look. Soft blush and lips. Use a soft pink blush for a natural flush of color. Moisturize your lips and finish with a natural lip color lipstick or lip gloss. Daisy details. Finally, for a touch of innocence, apply a light white or shimmery eyeshadow to the inner corners of your eyes and on your cheekbones to create a daisy flower effect. And there you have it. We've completed the Daisy Girl makeup look step by step. This makeup style is perfect for anyone seeking a natural and innocent appearance. I hope these steps have been helpful to you. Until next time!